Hello guys, we're back in our garage and we're looking at our Craftsman 139.53930DM. So yeah, that's not the model there, it's in the bulb. You see it there. Oh yeah, these have rubber bands on because I decided to put them on here for fun. I did the same on this side. This is kind of a bit short, but that one is longer. Here's the second Craftsman 139.53930DM. Then this opener vibrates when it goes up and down, and that down force is too high. That one is fine. And that spring shakes on the left. So let's go ahead and give the garage a run, shall we? Well, nah. We'll go ahead and just do the regular view. Let's go ahead and run this with the wall button. And here we go. Yeah, this opener is very quiet, better than our old opener at our old house. It's better than our old garage. Our old garage was loud when it was going up and down, and our old model was the Genie 7155L. So, I'm gonna just take the phone. A lot of stuff is being on. Let me put the camera down. Alright, looks done. Actually, you put it back. I'm gonna close this one, then I'm gonna open that one. Well, I'm gonna close this one now first, and then we'll open the other. Yeah, this is the first Craftsman 139.53930DM, and that's the fixing the force stuff on it. Wireless alert button. Alright, let's shut this down, and then I'll go open the other one. So, let's, without further ado, let's close it. So, it does run down, but, you know, you kind of still see the outside of it. Push it down, because you gotta do that every time. Because sometimes it don't go all the way down. Alright, there's this one, and this side is white, and the other side is yellow, which is something to open up. So, and yeah, I did install this camera like a month ago. I have a video called how I installed an Xfinity camera. It's on there. Alright, let's go ahead and open the left side. And this one is the vibrating opener, 139.53930DM of Craftsman. This is the vibrating one. So here we go. Yeah, this opener actually really vibrates. The spring shake. Alright, let's grab this again. That light will go off. Because I just ran that opener. The right side has always been cleared for a car to come in. So that's why we want to leave this side clean for a car to come in. But it has originally been a car in here, but not really that much. I just gotta keep it clean though. Alright, so I'm back now. So there's the second Craftsman 139.53930DM. The next video I'm gonna make is hat videos. So and this spring is shaking over there, so it shakes. But without further ado, let's go ahead and close this down. And this will be it for this video. And remember, it vibrates. Yeah, that, excuse me, that force is like, that down force is too high to be having that on like that. Yeah, got someone to get that fixed. It's a new light. Alright, let's go ahead and turn off the light, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And hold on, before I leave, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, turn on post notifications to see my next video. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace.